Hi guys, today we have a practice to pamper the feet, the toes and the ankles. They are some of the most neglected most of the times. So we give them some love today. Get into something comfy. Let's get started. So let's stretch out our feet, stretch out our legs. You can keep the hands a little behind, shoulders relaxed. Ears away from the shoulders, heart lifted. Take a deep breath in and exhale. One more deep breath in and let go completely. Now gently just move the toes away from you and towards you, only moving the toes, the big toe and the others, not moving the rest of the foot. Moving the feet with tender, loving care. Now we'll squeeze the toes. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now bring them towards you. Squeeze, squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. Squeeze, release. And relax. Now stretch out your toes. Point them out. And pull them towards you. Once more, point them out. Knees are straight, leg is straight. Towards you, away. Each moment just thanking your feet for being so loving, for being so kind, for taking all your weight all day long. Continue. And relax. Now slowly rotate them. We rotate them in the same direction, clockwise direction first. Only moving from the ankles, making big circles with the big toes. Now changing the direction anti-clockwise. Again making as big circles as we can, joyfully with a smile. And relax. Now keep the feet a little distance apart. Take them out and bring them in towards each other. Out and bring them in. Out and in. Let the heart be lifted. The rest of the body is also feeling uplifted. In and out as much as you can. Just going as per your own comfort. We'll hold it as we bring the toes together. Feel the sensations in the legs as we do this. And release. Now we'll move the toes in opposite directions, making big circles with the toes. One foot is moving clockwise and the other one is moving anti-clockwise. We do this with the breath. Bringing in the awareness of the breath makes the practice very special. Half a circle we will inhale and half a circle we will exhale. And now the opposite direction. The foot that was going clock goes anti-clockwise. The one that was anti, it goes clock. And continue moving with the breath. And relax. Bring your feet a little bit closer. And now take the toes away from each other as far and then bring them close together. Once again, take them away from each other and bring them close together. Away, close, away, close, away, close, away, close. Relax. Now point your right toe out, left points towards the body. And now we pedal. The right points towards the body and the left points away. The knees are straight, the leg is straight. And we keep alternating, pointing one, letting the other one be towards us. Just feeling the stretch in the front of the legs, in the back of the legs as we do this. Doing this with awareness of the breath. When we bring the dimension of breath into the practice, it calms down the mind as well. Brings in a lot more joy than if we just do it as a physical movement. This feels so good for the feet, for the ankles. We'll do a few more on our own. And relax. Once again, stretch your toes away from each other and bring them close. Stretch them away and close. Take them away and together. Now bend the left leg at the knee, bringing the left foot on top of the right thigh with the fingers of the right hand. Interlace them with the toes of the left foot, just like we would interlace the hands, but this time we do it with one hand and the other foot, and we move it in clockwise circles, showing that love for the feet, saying a little thank you. Usually we don't really care for the feet so much, but if you look at the Indian tradition, there is Pada Pooja. You worship the feet are considered to be holy. So we do this with reverence, we do this with love. The left hand can be holding the left foot in place, the left leg in place. Now the opposite direction. Moving it with the breath. And relax. Now slowly just give a gentle massage to the toes, all the toes, the big toe, the tiny ones. And now massage the center of the foot or anywhere, wherever you feel there's a little more tension or pain. Give your foot a nice little massage. You can give a little bit of massage to your calf and leg as well, pampering the body a little bit. And release. Now we'll do it on the other side. Bend the right leg at the knee, bringing the right foot over the left thigh, interlacing the hand and the foot once more. And again we'll rotate it with love and care, pampering our other foot. So half a circle you can inhale and half a circle you can exhale, moving with the breath, with the flow. Again, holding the foot steady with the right hand. And keep moving. Now change the direction, moving in the opposite direction. Saying thank you to the right foot and release it. Massage the foot again, massaging the big toe, the tiny toes. Massaging the foot, the center of the foot, the entire foot, wherever you feel the tension, wherever you feel you want to pamper a little more. You can give a little bit of massage again to the calves and the leg. You can say I love you to your feet. Thank you for taking me places. And relax. Now bend your legs. Slowly we will come up on the toes and come down. Again, come up on the toes. Your hands can be down and down, up and down, up. Hold it there if you feel like, and down. Keep the hands a little forward. Slowly take the heels off, remaining on the toes. Bring the knees down. Now take the hands on the knees. Inhale, arch the spine, doing a little cat-cow in this. Exhale, chin to the chest. Inhale, arch. Exhale, chin to the chest. just moving the spine. Inhale, chest open, head goes back, shoulders open. Exhale, shoulder blades move away from each other, chin comes to the chest. Last time, inhale, open up the chest. Exhale, shoulder blades move away, chin to the chest. Inhale, come back. Now bring the toes together, sitting back on the heels. If this is difficult, you can continue in the earlier one. Now take the right hand down and we'll bend to the right side. Inhale to the center, left hand towards the left side and bend to the left. Gentle bend to the left and inhale back to the center. Now we'll come into the cat-cow onto all fours, knees underneath the hips, hands underneath the shoulders. Take the right foot out and we'll do gentle pulses. Gentle pulses, just stretching the ankle and the foot, and release. Let the leg come back. Now take the left one back. Once more, very gently, we'll make pulses. Just moving a little front and back, keeping the left leg straight. Moving around the toes. And release. Now keeping the toes pointed, we'll take the hips back towards the heels. And move forward. Again, go back and forward. Back and forward. Now place the entire front of the foot down on the mat and we lift the knees off. Feel that stretch in the front of the foot. Just a little bit core as well and bringing them down. Once again, come up and down. Now point the toes into the mat, peel off the knees, take the tailbone up towards the ceiling. The heels come down towards the ground, the downward dog pose. Now we'll walk our dog, moving the knees a little bit alternately. As the knee bends, you come up on the toes and continue walking the dog. And relax. Now place the front of the foot down on the ground and once again bend the knees. Alternating this with both the legs. Pedaling with our feet, walking our dog. The shoulders stay away from the ears. The spine is long and extended. And relax. Slowly come down on your knees and your hands. Toes together, heels apart. Sit back on the heels. Let the hands stretch out. If your head is not able to touch the ground, you can let one fist on top of the other and let your head be rested on that. Take a breath in and exhale. We'll make the sound 3 times. Let's breathe in. Take another breath in and exhale. Slowly inhale, lift the head up and slowly come back into the center. Hope you enjoyed today's practice. If you like it, leave a thumbs up. Let us know how it was in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining us. May you stay fit and calm.